students, and welcome to week 4 in your online general psychology course. This week we are going to continue our work in chapter 2. So there's not a new chapter to read. If you didn't read the complete chapter last week, then now is the time to prep you because you will have your chapter 2 quiz this week. So last week you had a couple connect assignments over ideas from chapter 2. And this week you don't have a connect assignment, but you will do the quiz for this chapter. In addition to the quiz, you also have a research design assignment that is due. Now, please watch this video that I've inserted in the assignment itself that explains this assignment further. But please don't overthink this assignment. I don't expect you to have everything perfect with it. I know that you're new to designing research and that this may be a very new type of assignment for you to do. In a nutshell, and this video right here is going to go into much further detail, but in a nutshell, you're answering these 4 questions. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. It does not have to be in a particular format. You likely will not have a reference because you really are designing your own research. And a key important factor is that you're not actually doing the research. You're just writing it out for me of how you would study a particular human behavior. So in number 4, these are 1, 2, and 3 are probably going to be very, very short answers. In number 4, that's where you'll write probably a paragraph or more. Be very specific, be very detailed in how you would research your habit. So use chapter 2 that we've been studying for last week and this week to help you come up with your research methodology, to understand variables, to understand hypothesis, etc. If you have any questions about this assignment, reach out to me. Please don't not do it because you don't understand it, because it is a very significant grade. Please reach out to me and let me help you. I hope you have a great week.